All right, so I created this modular coolant collection tray so that you can kind of, depending on the size of your stock, you can have these splash guards on the side as well. There we go. And then this last one also fits the tailstock in case you decide that that's what you're going to use. There you go. And then there's a pipe outlet for collecting it so that you can recycle it and pump it back up. So I know some people think that this may be an overkill for aluminum. I'm still experimenting, but in case this is useful, here it is. It's 3D printable.